It can be better for businesses, better for residents, better for visitors and better for our city environment.
Parking changes could soon be coming to Brighton. The council says the city's seen a steady increase in visitors since the end of the pandemic. But they say one of the biggest deterrents they found for people not coming is the cost of parking. So they're looking at reducing rates at some of their car parks.
It's not all about the stick, beating the motorist with a heavier stick and giving them having to pay tariff more for parking each year, which we've seen in the last 5 years in particular, increases in parking, which is a flat tax. So it disproportionately affects those people lower income who need their cars.
If rate changes happen, I would likely see an increase in the number of cars coming into the city. At the moment, one of the most popular ways for tourists coming to the seaside town is by train. But the Green Party worries the council's proposals could change the tide.
As a Green, hearing the phrase people that are coming to the city and not coming as much in cars is fantastic, because the parking fee charges are down. That's fantastic news. But what really confused me was that further in the report it stated that high charges had been a deterrent to people coming to the city. Those two statements completely contradict themselves. We can't have more visitor numbers and less cars.
Other changes would see residents with permits in high demand areas being able to park overnight in some off-street barrier car parks.
And then there's also mention that they're going to start releasing residents' permits to car-free developments, which sounds completely counterintuitive, counterproductive, and just a recipe for even more congestion.